All right, guys. We drove about five hours something. Now we come to a one of the truck stop. This is an hour away from Las Vegas, past Las Vegas. We decided to go ahead, take a break, stay overnight right here.
Sorry.
Oh man, it smells so good. Mama, trust me, I know you. Check this out, you guys. Cooking in the wide open field. We're using the light bar from the van. Look how bright it is. So easy. Flip of a switch, we got light in the middle of the desert. Cooking salmon, green beans, and then steak later. Oh yeah. We just park next to each other, creating a nice warm. It's gonna be a dinner area, and we're cooking over here in the wide open. Oh yeah, it's a mom and son competition. Oh yeah, marinated salmon and sauteed green beans with onion. Oh yeah, here it is. I should be good. It's in, oh, whoa, salmon comes
This guy needs more.
hard.
No, I can't finish the part now.
Oh yeah, perfect. Good morning. Nice and beautiful morning already. Just took a nice warm shower. It's 5:50 a.m. We planning to head back to Zion, hit the road at 6 a.m. So let's make a quick coffee and we're out of here. Oh yeah, hot cup of coffee, bright morning. We are at the truck stops, one of the truck stops on the 15 freeway. This is Mopa Valley. Got a huge parking truck stops. You can park anywhere here. We are actually officially inside Zion National Park. This is RV parking area. It used to be like open to all the parkings, even though it's RV, but right now they restrict it to RVs only. And lucky we are classified as RV, so we get to park here along the riverside. Very cool. So we are preparing breakfast in a little bit. After breakfast we're gonna maybe drive up a little more to find more parking along the roadway, and we just discover and we walk into what they call the center of the Zion over there. It's more beautiful now. Check this out, guys. There's nothing else better than having a hot ham and egg croissant with, look at this egg, and the avocado covered up like this in an open beautiful day like this. Oh man, it's so nice. It's gonna be a good day. Alright, you guys, we came from way down there. We're gonna go through the tunnel, and because the parking lot down there, parking space not available anymore along the road, we keep on driving. Now we are going to go up there, through up there, and we're gonna go through that tunnel right there. Don't worry, we already find out with the ranger that the size of our van will fit through the tunnel without being escorted.
Don't go too far. Okay.
So we're gonna go through a tunnel. So beautiful around here. Alright guys, look at what we spot here. Some mountain goats. If I can see with this camera lens. If not, I'm gonna go get a new one. Right there. Can you see? Right there. Oh, I think I need to go get a new camera. There they are. we are in one of the river parks here along the river. It is beautiful around here. The sun, blue skies, and beautiful weather today. But you know what? This is right outside of the entrance of Zion. Inside the park, they eliminated all, a lot of the parking spots along the road. Most of them are all blocked off. You cannot park. So very limited of parking here. So we were able to stop here and there, but in a minute we're gonna go check out the campground, check in the campground, and we just hang out over there and do some cooking. All right, let's go. We are at the Watchman campground. Check this out, a nice campground. There's a nice clean restroom over there, and there's a RV field that way, and we got this spot right here. Fits both of us, but the guy in the front at station where we checked in, he said we're not allowed to have 2 Sprinter vans on one side. I did not see that part on the website at all. He said if the ranger comes, they might give me tickets, but shoot, if he comes, he gives us a hard time, we just gonna leave to find some free camping. It's close by here, I know the area, but I just did not see that. So shoot, just take that chance for now. But this is nice, and we just cook something. Let's go see. And here is our dinner for today, tonight. Ooh, tom yum seafood. The soup. Oh man, yeah.
Steak.
And steak, huh?
And stir fry.
And the watermelon. This super sweet watermelon. And the saute mushroom. Oh yeah. So Timmy is complaining about his mom's steak is not good anymore.
Look at his steak like a choco.
But she cooked for him for
4 years at a time.
20 something years already.
24 years.
Now he thinks it's not good anymore. Alright, after dinner, before sunset, we're just taking a nice walk, enjoying this view. Look at that view. Oh my god. It's amazing. They have a nice restroom here. Got the dishwashing area up there, and here you can fill up your RV. This is drinkable water. Very convenient. This is group camp area. You can reserve this for big group, tents only. And by reservations only. Big fire pit, firing, barbecue grill, 2 of them. it was a beautiful day. After a long day like that, nice warm shower, here we are relaxing. Man, yeah. And then the kids like, where are we going tomorrow? I'm like, Caleb's Canyon and then go home. They're like, can we go to Bryce Canyon? I'm like, Bryce Canyon, yes, of course, let's do it. So Bryce Canyon, it is tomorrow. Hour and a half from here. Continue on through the tunnel and then hit 89. We're at no time at Bryce Canyon. And then from there, head back home. No, not back home. Drive back as close to Las Vegas as we can, and then we head home the next day. About 3.5 hours, probably. Not a bad drive. So after breakfast tomorrow, on the road we are. Bryce Canyon. See you in the morning.